Welcome to Lecture 29, Developing a Leadership Communication Style. In this lesson, you'll discover how leaders communicate effectively, build trust, and inspire their teams. Let's explore the essential elements of a leadership communication style and how you can develop your own. Leadership communication is about more than just giving instructions. It's about sharing a clear vision, inspiring your team, and building trust. Leaders use communication to influence others and create a positive, productive environment. Great leaders communicate with clarity and transparency. They speak with confidence, remain authentic, and always listen actively to their team members. Visionary leaders communicate the bigger picture. They help their teams understand how their work fits into the overall mission, aligning goals and motivating everyone with a shared sense of purpose. Trust is the foundation of leadership. Leaders build trust by being honest, consistent, and reliable. They'd also encourage open dialogue, making team members feel valued and heard. Effective leaders adapt their communication style to fit their audience and the situation. They adjust their tone and approach, ensuring their message is always clear and appropriate. Leaders set the tone for their teams by modeling positive communication, showing respect and empathy, and setting high standards. They inspire others to do the same. Nonverbal cues are powerful in leadership. Body language, gestures, and facial expressions should match your words, reinforcing your message and building credibility. Leadership communication is a two-way street. Invite feedback, encourage questions, and create a safe space for open dialogue. This helps everyone feel involved and valued. Leaders often face tough conversations. Stay calm, focus on finding solutions, and always maintain respect, even in challenging situations. When leading change, communicate openly about why changes are happening, address concerns, answer questions, and provide clear guidance on what comes next. Inspire your team by sharing success stories, recognizing their achievements, and encouraging ongoing growth and learning. Empathy is key for leaders. Understand your team members' perspectives, show genuine care, and support their individual needs to build strong relationships. Storytelling helps leaders make their messages memorable and connect emotionally with their teams. Use stories to illustrate key points and inspire action. Leaders must recognize and overcome communication barriers. Address misunderstandings quickly and promote an inclusive environment where everyone feels heard. Effective leaders give constructive feedback and accept feedback from others. Use feedback as a tool for personal and team growth. Reflect on your strengths, embrace authenticity, and always look for ways to improve your leadership voice. To improve your leadership communication, practice active listening, seek feedback from your team, and set clear communication goals for yourself. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a leader guiding their team through change by communicating clearly, listening to concerns, and providing support. The leader helps the team adapt and succeed. Avoid common mistakes like being unclear, ignoring your team's input, or failing to follow up. These can damage trust and hinder your effectiveness as a leader. To sum up, leadership communication is about inspiring others, building trust, and adapting your style as needed. Inspiring others, building trust, and adapting your style as needed. Practice these skills and seek feedback to become a more effective leader. Take a moment to reflect. Think of a leader you admire. What communication traits make them effective? Consider how you can apply these traits in your own leadership journey. Your next step is to practice leadership communication every day. Observe other leaders, learn from their styles, and keep developing your own unique approach. With time and effort, you'll become a confident and inspiring communicator.